Hello everyone, how are you all?
So in this video, I'm not going to discuss any mathematics related concept. I have just made this video to give you some information related to coding. I just want to tell you that I have created a course on Udemy and that is publishable now. So the actual price of that course is 1200 something, but for 3 or 4 days, there is a discount which is going on this course. So you may apply a coupon over there. So the coupon code I'm just going to share with you, that is code 4 kids. Okay, so everything is in capital letters and in between there is a 4. So CODE code 4 and then KIDS. This is the coupon code. If you would apply this coupon code, you would be able to enroll this course in just 360 rupees. So for what are you waiting now? So just apply this coupon code and take a benefit of this course. So I'm just telling you here the basics of the coding here in this course. Basically, I'll tell you how to create 3 applications basically here. That is how to create a happy birthday application, and then how to create a dance party, like in which the dancers would dance automatically, and how to create the amazing designs with the help of artists and all. So we would like use these concepts of coding here, the variables, for loop, predefined functions and all. So this course is like of 2.5 total hours. There would be 33 lectures. It's beginner level. English language would be here. So you may check out, it would be beneficial for you and you may take benefit of it by applying that code for 4 kids, a coupon code, and a best price for you for 3 4 days only. The discount would end on 1st of April. So let's apply and have a benefit of this. Have a nice day. Bye bye.